In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to left side page tabs layout. If you prefer seeing your list of pages on the left instead of the right, this quick setting will make your workspace feel more natural, especially if you're used to other apps that keep navigation on the left. It can also reduce mouse travel on widescreen displays and make your reading flow left to right without jumping your eyes across the screen. With your app open, head to the File menu in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you can change global settings. Look toward the bottom of that panel and choose Options. A settings window will appear. In the sidebar of that window, select Display. This section controls how things look and behave on screen. Now find the checkbox labeled Move Page List to the left. Turn it on. Then confirm your choice by clicking OK to close the window. As soon as you return to your workspace, your page list should shift over to the left side. Nothing about your content changes, only the location of the navigation panel, so your notes, sections, and formatting remain exactly as they were. Take a moment to scan the layout. Your pages are now stacked along the left edge, closer to your section list and notebook titles if you use them. This puts your navigation and your content in a single, continuous visual path from left to right, which many people find faster for browsing and organizing. If you want a little more room, hover over the border between the page list and the main canvas, and drag to resize the pane until it feels right for your screen. If you don't immediately see the page list move, double check that you're in the display category and that the Move Page List to the left box is checked, then close the Options window. In some versions, wording can vary slightly, so anything referencing page list position or page tabs on the left is the same setting. If your version doesn't include this option yet, make sure your app is up to date. If you ever want to switch back, simply return to File, Options, Display, and clear the same checkbox. That's all there is to it. By placing the page list on the left, you streamline navigation and keep your focus where it matters, on your notes.